What's up guys, Juno here from Tinybot. Now we all know the benefits of ceramic coatings on our vehicles. However, we don't all have time to apply the coatings. Sometimes we only have enough time to do a proper wash. And this is why we developed a new product to help you coat your vehicles while washing the car. This is our new Wetworks ceramic coating. With Wetworks, you get the same benefits as all our ceramic products, such as UV blocking, superior water repellency, prevention of scratches and swirls, and chemical and oil resistance. After washing your car, all you gotta do is spray down the vehicle and then rinse it off. It's just that easy. But as always, we don't just talk about it, we be about it. So let's head to the lab and show you what Wetworks is all about. Now what separates our Wetworks from all the other wet coats on the market is that there's zero risk of staining. With other products, you have to go one paddle at a time, taking forever to get a car done. However, with ours, you can do the whole car all at once and take your time. And that's because for our product, there's a predetermined curing amount. Any excess that you spray will just get washed away. All right, now we're going to install Brand X on one side and Wetworks on the other side. Now this is a wet coat, that means it applies on wet. As you can see, there's no water repellency. Both sides are uncoated. So we'll start with Wetworks. Now we'll get Brand X. Move the cover to the other side. We've let them both sit for a few minutes now. Now we're gonna go ahead and rinse them off. You can start to see some staining already with Brand X. You might see some staining here, but that's gonna come off once we rinse it off and dry it. So let's rinse away. So we've dried the surfaces of both sides. Now with Tinybot Wetworks, you can see that there's zero staining whatsoever, an immaculate surface, super glossy. Now with Brand X, you can see staining pretty much everywhere. This is because we let both of them sit, and while ours has ample time for you to get to it, the other you need to buff off immediately or else staining like this will occur. Even if you get a microfiber towel and start to wipe the surface, it doesn't go away. Now with Brand X and Wetworks, you can see that there's water repellency present. However, as said before, you're gonna have staining with Brand X, no staining with Wetworks. Round two. Now we're comparing Brand Y and we're comparing Wetworks. We're going to see how well these fare in terms of water repellency and to see if any staining occurs. Again, we're going to start by rinsing both sides first, and you will see that there's zero water repellency to begin with. Now we're going to apply some Wetworks. On the other side, we're going to apply Brand Y. So we let them sit for a few minutes. Now we're going to rinse it off. All right. So if you come in close, you'll notice with Wetworks, zero staining. With brand Y, again, zero staining on that side as well. Now we'll dry it off. So let's go over the surface. With Wetworks, you can see, again, immaculate surface, no staining, super glossy. And with brand Y, you can also see that there is no staining. Now we're going to test the water repellency of both. As you can see, with Wetworks, you have super water repellency. The beads just form and drop to the floor, while with brand Y, there's some, but it's pretty much very weak. As you can see, with Tinybot Wetworks, you get a high performance, a really complete formula. You get super water repellency, you get UV blocking, you get ease of use, the whole 9 yards.